going to need for the removal of your extensions is your panel remover as well as a pintail comb. Ideally, you're going to want to spray the section of hair with your panel remover and saturate the section from above and below. This can also come in handy if you've misplaced an extension, and you'll see with our Erabella panel remover makes it very easy to remove. Then to rebond the extensions, okay, so you're going to want to separate the double-sided tape and remove it from the strand. So, and discard of the double-sided tape. We then have our Erabella pre-cut tape, which makes life so much easier. And you will then take it and apply it back onto the section from where you removed the last lot of tape. Ready for rebonding.